Hi, I'm Rafi Bohic, professional Thai boxing fighter, multiple world champion. I have 103 fights, 84 wins with 39 KOs. I always learn. I always want to learn strategical and technical things, and always want to be stronger mentally and physically. I never think that I will be a champion one day. I just follow the process and get better every fight. I just want to see where my soul can be pushed on. Happy to join the community as TopSolid ambassador. Always believe in yourself and never forget to believe in your dreams. We are TopSolid.